Common issues with Monday.com columns is a crucial topic for users of the platform to understand and address. This guide will walk you through the most prevalent problems and their solutions, ensuring you can optimize your workflow and productivity. First, it is essential to understand the different types of columns available on Monday.com, including text, number, date, and more. Each column type has its unique features and limitations, which can lead to various issues if not properly managed. One common issue is data inconsistency, which occurs when the data type does not match the column type. For example, if you try to enter a text value into a number column, the system will not accept it. To avoid this, ensure that you select the correct column type for your data and use the formatting options to standardize your entries. Another issue is column overcrowding, where too many columns are added to a board, making it difficult to navigate and analyze data. To resolve this, prioritize your columns and use the grouping feature to categorize related columns together. You can also use the column width adjustment to optimize the layout. Formula columns are also prone to errors, particularly when using complex formulas or referencing other columns. To troubleshoot formula errors, check the formula syntax and ensure that the referenced columns exist and contain valid data. You can also use the formula preview to test and validate your formulas before applying them. In addition, issues can arise when using conditional logic and automations, such as incorrect triggers or actions. To address this, carefully define your conditions and actions, and use the testing feature to validate your automation workflows. To prevent common issues with Monday.com columns, it is recommended to establish clear data standards, regularly review and maintain your boards, and use the platform's built-in validation and testing features. By following these best practices, you can minimize errors, optimize your workflow, and maximize the benefits of using Monday.com. In conclusion, understanding and addressing common issues with Monday.com columns is vital for effective workflow management and productivity. By being aware of the potential problems and taking proactive steps to prevent them, you can unlock the full potential of the platform and achieve your goals.